Hi, you haven't seen me for a while. I've been busy doing some DIY work at home, stripping the paper off, plastering a wall, then having to sand it all down and then whitewashing it. Well, not whitewashing it, emulsion it. So that's been me for a few weeks. And also had other things to do. I've been working hard trying to get a job as a staff photographer. In the past, I've worked for engineering firms on. I'll put some pictures up to see, see the work I've sort of did. A lot of it was done on film in the past, and because heavy engineering is not sort of thing which is prevalent around in North Cumbria. I went through the interview process, and I got to the third practical interview. We had to photograph stuff with a camera, but they wouldn't allow me to use my own camera. So they furnished me with a Nikon D5, which is a beast of a camera, which I thought was mainly for sort of like sports photography, touchline stuff, because it's got a huge battery pack and it's hyper fast and whatever. But for some reason, I couldn't get the viewfinder to focus properly. Either the diopter was bust, or something don't do with my eyesight at the time. So anyhow, the interview didn't go that well. So, and it wasn't helped by the fact you had to wear safety glasses, and then eventually earplugs, hearing protection. So you ended up shouting at people, saying, "You what? Hey!" and trying to organise people in a shoot, which was quite a bit stressful, really. That's it. I'm used to more considered and time to sort of look at the brief, rather than the brief landed on you half an hour before on a camera you never knew. So, but if any of you out there has got a D5, can you tell me if the as you look through the viewfinder, does it look really small and far away? Because that was the impression I got. So anyhow, I pressed on with that camera, even though what I was looking at was a bit blurry, even though the figures inside, the F numbers and thing were a bit blurry. So I thought, well, the camera's shooting straight, it must be something I'm doing wrong. So I'll just see what happens, see if I get the job or not. Leave you some more pictures of what I've done in the past, and hopefully if I do get the job, what I'll be doing in the future. But we'll just see what happens.